Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk this product like liquid IV hydration multiplier. You should buy this or not. Does it really worth it? What are the uses and side effects? So in this video we will cover lots of things. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand, basically this is very popular brand and liquid IV is a very popular brand also. Okay, and if we talk about this product, basically this is a hydration multiplier with electrolytes drink mix. Okay, basically this is a drink with hydration multiplier. Basically if you use this supplement, we can say this is energy drink, or we can also say this is a supplement. And when you use the supplement, it will provide you lots of hydration. And if we talk about the benefits, basically this is sugar free, and if you want any instant energy, then anyone can take this. And they have like amino acids and allulose blend also. So basically allulose, you know very well, these are a type of sugar which don't contain any kind of glucose, but you will feel lots of, you can say, like sweetener, but it will not going to harm on your blood. Okay, so basically this is a really good you can say like drink. And when you need any instant energy, then you can use this supplement and you can use this drink. And this is really helpful drink, and you can see like there are lots of vitamins. And there is some also vitamins like potassium, vitamin C, and niacin, and vitamin B6 and B12. So there are lots of vitamins also. So this is really good, you can say like drink, you can use it. Okay, but the thing is, if you want to try this supplement, if you want to purchase the supplement only for one time, so don't try to take any subscription. Otherwise they will provide you auto refill and you have to pay lots of fees in the form of subscription. So basically, as you know, like what are the main uses of energy drinks, or you can say like drinks. So basically these are the main benefits of electrolyte drinks. Like if you very active in your gym, if you need any, you can say like drinks when you done any workout and you need some drinks, then this kind of drink is really helpful. Okay, it will hydrate your body and it will give you anabolic stage. Okay, so it will protect your body from catabolic stage. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.